Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right apple juice for the job. 100% juice for flavor, or concentrate when you need stronger body. Once chosen, check sugar percent and preservatives so you can adjust sweetness or acidity. Pour measured amounts. 1 cup equals 240 ml into a clean container. If it tastes too sweet, dilute with 1/2 cup water. Make sure to taste after adjusting, because the final acidity and sweetness affect every downstream step in cooking or beverage use. Now, integrate apple juice into your recipe by using it as a liquid base. 1 cup of juice can replace 1 cup of stock in pan sauces and braises to add sweetness and acidity. Once in the pan, reduce the juice over medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes to concentrate flavor. This also thickens without extra starch. If you need savory balance, mix juice with a splash of vinegar or fresh herbs to cut sweetness and create a layered marinade that tenderizes and flavors proteins. To finish, always taste and balance. Add a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon, or a knob of butter to smooth the sauce. These small changes make the apple juice sing. Save any leftover juice for smoothies, vinaigrettes, or frozen ice cubes for later cooking. If a preparation turns out too sweet, add acid or salt. If it separates, whisk in a little butter or cream. If the juice smells off or is cloudy beyond normal, discard it. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.